Hi, everybody. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. Just giving you a shout tonight, 7:45 p.m., April 21st, 2021. Let's have a look at NuCypher right now. If you look at NuCypher, we're trading at about between 45 and 46 cents per coin. And what does that mean? Well, we're kind of trading within that green zone. I mentioned it yesterday. We are on that short-term channel, which is highlighted on the screen here in green. And that basically means that we're looking at a 12-degree decline, which means that, we're not going up, or at least we're not going to be going up dramatically over the next few days. But what it does mean is that, we could be kind of going sideways. We're at the middle of the channel right now. We could go slightly lower. It would not surprise me. But what I think we really want to look out for is making sure that we, at the very least, stay within these two green lines. If you started to de-risk some of your positions, not a bad idea for you guys and gals. But, just be ready to get in when, the closer to this green line that this thing comes, well, I will be buying fairly aggressively. It's looking like it's holding the pattern here. I don't expect it to go down much, to be honest with you. I think it'll continue down in the middle of this channel, which is kind of like this. Seems like that's where all the buying has been happening. If you look on a volume weighted basis, which I don't have right now, but I've seen it earlier. So I think one other thing that we need to be very, very cognizant of, a lot of the markets in the crypto space are driven by Bitcoin. Bitcoin is as far as I'm concerned, the index. It is bigger than all of the other cryptocurrencies combined. So this is the one that is the leading indicator for where the remainder of the altcoins go, Ethereum's, etc. When this thing tanks dramatically, you can fully expect the rest of the crypto world to tank as well. And by tanking, I mean go down. So where are we right now? We're at 54,187. Not particularly interesting at that level, to be honest with you. Doesn't look good. But the chart looks like it's still intact. If you look at the green support line, this green support line was started way back in October. And if you look at how this thing has held, it has held well. I mean, it's only got like a few points. It actually held this area over here in April, which was this past ugly weekend. Where we have a good sign here is if this thing can maybe hit this green line and then bounce off it. A strong bounce off this line will be validation enough for me to say, all right, this really is over. I personally think that we're in the resolution phase of this downward trend, this shakeup. Multiple theories are out there about what's actually driving it. Was it the blackouts in China? I mean, nobody's ever going to really know. Nobody's going to know. If no one's known by now, it's been 3 days later, no one's going to remember. No one's going to care. The only thing that we could care about right now is what is the future looking like. So we need to look at this green line here. Make sure that price does not go below it. I think you have to look at this thing day in and day night in parallel with looking at NuCypher as well. There are multiple trend lines out there. You should be looking at all of them and making sure that we don't break any one of these green support lines. I'll be happy to put this up on my YouTube channel. I'll also put this up on these charts up on my my Reddit. I'm also on there as Wall Street Trader. So have a look at those. I'll keep track of this and ask any questions you guys want. It's 7:50 p.m. April 21st, and I'm signing off. Have a great night. Bye.